Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make use of Canva. First, navigate to the Canva website or open the app. You'll see a search bar where you can type in your desired design type, like Instagram post or presentation. Select a template that catches your eye or start with a blank canvas to unleash your creativity. The intuitive interface allows for quick customization, even if you're new to design. Canva provides a rich set of tools to enhance your designs. On the left sidebar, you'll find options for elements, text, uploads, and more. Drag and drop images, shapes, or icons onto your canvas. Experiment with different font pairings and color palettes to achieve your desired look. Remember, a well-chosen visual can convey your message much more effectively than plain text alone. To make your Canva designs truly stand out, focus on clarity and impact. Avoid cluttering your canvas with too many elements. Utilize white space effectively to draw attention to key information. Consider your audience and the platform where your design will be shared. A strong call to action or a clear message can significantly boost your design's effectiveness. Beyond basic design, Canva offers powerful features for advanced users and teams. Explore options like background remover, animation, and content planning. Canva Pro unlocks even more capabilities, including unlimited storage and brand kit customization. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals. Keep experimenting with new features to elevate your design skills and streamline your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.